shit given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed and you are watching Naveed's View. Today we are going to do unboxing Nokia's new model Nokia 5.3. HMD Global finally launched fresh new mid-range device Nokia 5.3. It's available in market at price $180. So let's go and start with the design. It's coming with 6.5-inch display. Nokia 5.3 has elegant 2.5D glass front and scratch-resistant composite back for extended durability. It's coming with the 3-strike Nordic-inspired colors cyan, sand and charcoal. It's coming with a Google Assistant button, a little help wherever you go. Accessing your favorite assistant is even easier with dedicated Google Assistant button. It also learns and adapts with every use, so you can do more with your life. The best thing is it's ready for Android 11 and beyond. Android 1 delivers a pure software experience with a seamless interface and no bloatware. Plus, with regular security updates and software upgrades, your Nokia 5.3 will keep getting better. Move on to display. The impressive 6.5-inch screen transports you into another world, whether you are gaming or streaming. Plus, it's a huge screen, but it's easily fit in your pocket. IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 720 by 1600 pixels, 268 ppi, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, 450 nits brightness. Overall, the screen is more than enough for the gaming and media experience. Move on to hardware. Nokia says built-in for speed, refined for play. Play in the big leagues and stay in the game for longer thanks to the dynamic Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. And it's coming with a 4GB RAM. The GPU Adreno 610. So you can play your favorite games easily on it. Move on to the camera. It's coming with watt style quad camera. Get up close and personal with macro lens or capture the entire scene with ultrawide 180 lens. Smart tools to make your pics pop. Powerful AI imaging gives you the creative tools to get stunning shots. Lose the flash and still get the winning shot thanks to the night mode. Capture stellar image that truly pop in portrait mode with enhanced bokeh effect. Just in $180, not bad device with 720p display, with Snapdragon 665 with 4000 mAh battery. I think so you can use this device easily up to 3 years. So let's go and we will do the unboxing. So friends, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon. See you in next video. Peace out.